Hi guys, for today's video manguha ta og tugabang. Kay aton lutuon. Lulutuin natin. Hanap tayo oy. Wala man masyado. I don't know what do you call this, but we call this tugabang. And we mixed it with the bamboo shoots and cook it in coconut milk. That's my brother. They usually grow in this sugar field. And it's hard to find them sometimes because they're hiding in the bush. May nakuha ka? Agiling. Tumuslok man. Uy, ano ning sasulod sa ano ko? Pada na ibe? Ambot ano ni? Eh, ano? Ano ni? Kamang-kamang. Nani ma? Down. Keko. Gimana ya? May damang green. Poisonous. My God. Ay na. Tawa na yung manakwa. Mulang na. Ato pa oh. Dumay nanguha naman di gani ah. Dumay nanguha na de. Then, gipanguha naman na. Ito. I saw one there. Wow. Let's just get the top one so they can grow more and make more plants. You know, make more vegetable. This is a good thing living in a province. You don't have to worry about food because food is all over. But it's a lot of what do you call this? Daming kinainan ng uod. So lots of fly. Oh, I have a story on that tree there. That tree. We call that lumboy. I don't know what do you call that in English, but we called it in the province lumboy. That big tree there. I used to climb up there because the leaf and the fruit. Leaf, they're using it for tobacco, and the fruit we're eating, it looked like a grape. It's black, purple color. And before I fell down from that part, because I never thought that it was weak kind of tree. It's not dead. It's not dead branch where I stand before, but they're easy to break, and I step on it. I never thought, because I was very tiny, and I step on the branch and it break, and then I fell down. Luckily, when I fell down, it wasn't rock. It was thick layer of a leaf from that tree. So I kinda just like bounce, but I fell down with my back first. Maybe that's the reason why sometimes I get the back pain. Severe back pain, I guess. Ah. Gago. Ah, syempre.
Ay, nako.
Why, Kwan? Ay na. Wala na dyan. May nanguha naman gani, oh, may mga putol na.
Dali ka?
Here I am with my brother. My stubborn, hard-headed brother.
Tanay. Dali ka, dali lang.
Ah, ito, nahulog. Pabi?
Dali lang.
Oh, look at the view from here.
Tumudas mo ako. Okay, signal.
I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your heart that carries me through. I need you. Ah? Ay. Siyempre, I'm proud of myself sometimes. Oh! Kagawin na. Hala, sige. Bakpa. Atulgal pa ng pispis. Oh, what a nice life in the province, isn't it? And the weather is always like this. Oh my god, it's paradise. Okay na, Neguro na? Jan. Okay na, Neguro. Ra! Ra! Nangusisa na si Mayong. Ra! Perte! Bago pa lang ganin, nangusisa na. Dagwa, ragig ko. You know, the millennials nowadays, like the new generation. It's like they just broke up with their girlfriend and right away they have replacements. And I said, when I was in that age, just like I'm playing Chinese garters, tipping rope. I'm not really into a relationship like that. But the generation right now, it's kinda like mind blowing. Wala na.
Na?
Wala. We are going home because I guess it's enough. It's enough. Cut na.
Yan na.
Look at this. Look at the view here. Oh.
Tama na ng...
This is my hometown, my barangay. Proudly born in Barangay Basak.
Hindi, ang bragigat.
Why?
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 Why? Ano?
Am I look like a clown?
Why ano?
Why? I'm not. Hi, why? W-H-Y, why?
Why? Why not?
Gago. Please follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my channel. Aray ko. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your
Ang
arms
dahil ko sakit.
that carries gaba.
Surya pa?
That carries me through. I need you. Init.
Ano naman ba?
Kamang guru. This. Si Jandrix, ah.
Wait lang, ay galakat ako.
There's a freedom in your arms. Matawag tubo ay.
Kulot.